Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Tuesday ruled out any changes in the Memorandum of Understanding signed between Meghalaya and Assam to resolve the interstate border dispute in 6 areas taken up in the first phase. The statement came from the Chief Minister after pressure groups met him and demanded to bring 3 villages, Joypur, Salbari and Hahuapara, back to Meghalaya. Speaking to media persons after the meeting, Sangma said the pressure groups raised concerns about some areas and government presented to them the historical facts and the 2011 report based on which the discussion had taken place. KSU President Lambok Marnar said Meghalaya and Assam are part of India and both governments can definitely discuss and make the correction.
So we will see how it moves forward. It's not something that I can commit right now, but let the process continue. And we have noted down the concerns of the honourable, the NGOs and the members from the different organizations, and we will see how to move forward in that.
We have witnessed the dissatisfaction and disappointment of people of the border, particularly in the border area. So what we have to press to the government of today, in this meeting, that the government should find out way and mean how to address this problem. Yes, the government have made it very clear they cannot review the MOU. But we left on the wisdom of the government how to tackle, how to find a way and mean to address the issue.
The Trinamool Congress has asked the